welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of low-calorie foods, perfect for anyone looking to stay fit, healthy, and energized while managing their weight. Whether you're trying to shed a few pounds or simply want to add more nutrient-rich, low-calorie options to your diet, we've got you covered. Stick around to discover some delicious and satisfying foods that will help you feel full without breaking the calorie bank. Let's get started. First, spinach, 23 calories per 100 grams, a leafy green powerhouse packed with vitamins A, C, and K, as well as iron, magnesium, and calcium. Its high nutrient density makes it a popular choice for salads, smoothies, or steamed dishes. Cucumbers, 16 calories per 100 grams, made up of over 95% water. Cucumbers are hydrating and refreshing, perfect for adding volume to meals without adding many calories. They contain small amounts of vitamins like K and C and are great for salads or snacks. Mushrooms, 22 calories per 100 grams. Mushrooms are low in calories and fat but packed with nutrients like B vitamins, selenium, and antioxidants. They are a versatile ingredient that can enhance the umami flavor of dishes. Cauliflower, 25 calories per 100 grams. This cruciferous vegetable is low in calories but rich in fiber, vitamin C, and antioxidants. It's versatile and can be roasted, mashed, or even used as a low-carb rice substitute. Peaches, 39 calories per 100 grams. A juicy and sweet stone fruit. Peaches are low in calories but provide vitamins A and C. They are perfect for snacking, adding to fruit salads, or blending into smoothies. Bell peppers, 20 calories per 100 grams. Colorful and crunchy, bell peppers are rich in vitamin C and antioxidants like beta-carotene. They are perfect for adding flavor and texture to salads, stir-fries, or roasted dishes. Tomatoes, 18 calories per 100 grams. Low in calories but bursting with flavor. Tomatoes are a great source of vitamin C, potassium, and the antioxidant lycopene, which is linked to heart health and cancer prevention. Broccoli, 34 calories per 100 grams. Known for its high vitamin C and fiber content, broccoli is another nutrient-dense vegetable. It provides calcium and vitamin K, both essential for bone health, and can be steamed, roasted, or sautéed. Lemon, 29 calories per 100 grams. Lemons are incredibly low in calories but packed with vitamin C, an antioxidant that supports immune function and skin health. Their zesty flavor enhances beverages, dressings, and marinades. Green beans, 31 calories per 100 grams. A low-calorie, fiber-rich vegetable that contains vitamins A, C, and K. Green beans are often steamed, sautéed, or roasted, making them an excellent side dish or snack. Watermelon, 30 calories per 100 grams, made up of about 90% water. Watermelon is incredibly hydrating and low in calories. It's also rich in vitamins A and C, as well as the antioxidant lycopene, which supports heart health. Celery, 14 calories per 100 grams, one of the lowest calorie foods. Celery is mostly water but offers fiber and small amounts of vitamins K and C. Its crunchy texture makes it perfect for snacking or adding to soups and salads. Cabbage, 25 calories per 100 grams. Cabbage is low in calories but high in vitamins C and K. It's also rich in fiber and antioxidants, making it beneficial for digestion and heart health. It can be eaten raw in salads or cooked in stews and stir-fries. Strawberries, 32 calories per 100 grams. These sweet, juicy berries are low in calories but high in vitamin C, fiber, and antioxidants. They're great for snacking, adding to desserts, or blending into smoothies. Grapefruit, 42 calories per 100 grams. Known for its tart flavor, grapefruit is a citrus fruit rich in vitamin C and fiber. It's also associated with weight loss and improved heart health due to its antioxidant properties. Egg whites, 52 calories per 100 grams. Egg whites are a lean source of protein, with minimal fat and calories. They are also rich in essential amino acids, making them a great choice for muscle repair and maintenance. Papaya, 43 calories per 100 grams. Papaya is low in calories and high in vitamin C and digestive enzymes like papain, which aid in digestion. It also contains antioxidants like beta-carotene. Tofu, 76 calories per 100 grams. A plant-based protein made from soybeans. Tofu is low in calories but high in protein, calcium, and iron. It's a versatile ingredient that can be grilled, sautéed, or added to soups and stir-fries. Thanks for watching. We hope you found these low-calorie food options helpful and inspiring for your next meal. Remember, maintaining a healthy diet doesn't mean sacrificing flavor or satisfaction. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on more tips for a healthier lifestyle. Drop a comment below and let us know your favorite low-calorie food. See you in the next video.